Hello students, today I am going to teach you English paper 1, the language paper. In this we will read the grammar portion, question number 5. Here the B part, fill in the each blank with the suitable prepositions. So today we will know about the preposition. Preposition. A preposition is a word placed before a noun or pronoun to show the relation in which person or thing stands to another person or thing. It is usually placed before the word it controls. The most common being the words showing time, space, position and direction relationship. How the use of the prepositions are used with reference to time and reference to space. With reference to time, they may denote a point of time or a period of time. A point of time will tell you a particular time. A period of time like 8 years, 8 months, and point of time 8 o'clock, 8 p.m., etc. Preposition, as with the help of this we will know, it is a word used place a noun or pronoun called its object. It shows the relation between its object and something else in the sentence. These are the examples. As I am fond of milk. The preposition of is the preposition. Here shows a relation between its object milk and the adjective found in the sentence. Kinds of preposition. These are the kinds of preposition. Preposition of time, prepositions of place, position, preposition of manner, agency. Here preposition of time we can say preposition of movement, phrase prepositions. So one by one we will know about these prepositions. Prepositions of time. These are the at, in, on, up, for, since, before, after, from, during, to, etc. These are the examples. He came at 4 p.m. He worked from 5 to 8 daily. So we will know, it will be clearer to you. With reference to time. With reference to time. At, in, on. At is used for a point of time. For example, the function will be held at 7 o'clock sharp. You were called at 7 a.m. Why are you late? They left for the city at sunset. Some more examples with the help of this. At is used with the point of time. The example is the train arrived at 10:15 a.m. At what time? 10:15. At 10:15. With the small places also at is used. He lives at Mirpur in Maharashtra. For big cities in used and for small towns and villages at use. With night, noon, at night, at noon, etc. While telling the cost, he got that book at ₹50. With the festival, event, etc. At Christmas. Now, in is used for a period of time in which something happens. The function took place in the evening. You were called in the morning. This place ceased to exist in 1972. On is used with the particular dates and days. She died on Sunday. The ship reached the harbour on the 10th of May 1965. Next is in, within, before. In also denotes the end of a period of time. Justin will return in a week. In a week, at the end of the week. I will leave in a month. Means at the end of the month. Within denotes any time before the expiry of a period. Justin will return within a week. Could return in 3 days or 6 days. Any time before the end of 7 days. Before used when we refer to a point of time. Justin will return before 10th May. Means before a fixed time. The fixed time is 10th May. So before 10th May he will return. After in. After denotes the end of a period of time in the past. She returned after a month, when the month was over. He gave the book back after I reminded him, in the past. In denotes the end of a period of time in the future. She will return in a year after the year is over. By, till. By denotes not later than. We will leave this place by 6 o'clock, not after 6 o'clock. Till means up to a certain period. We will be staying in Delhi till next Monday, not after next Monday. Since. Point of time. Since 2 a.m., 2 p.m., 2 o'clock. For example, Sita has been walking since 4 o'clock, or we can say 4 p.m. or 4 a.m. Since 1980, 2007, etc. Since Monday, Sunday, since morning, evening. For example, I have been playing since morning. Since yesterday. She has been here since yesterday. Since that day. Since childhood. Here we use the since. Now for duration of time. Duration of time, the example are the for 2 seconds, for 2 minutes, for 2 hours, for 2 days, 2 weeks, 2 months, for a long, for a while. For example, she had been here for 10 minutes. He is at home for a while. Ram has been walking for 2 hours. Now, purpose. For example, I am going Delhi for study. For what purpose I am going to Delhi? For study. For study. This is the purpose. Mohan came here for money. Why did he come? For money. Exchange. I gave my mobile for rupees 5,000. He gave me money for my work. So this is the use of since and for. From, used for a point of time. For example, I will be busy from tomorrow onwards. From any source. I heard it from Sita. What is the source? Sita is the source. He is buying it from the shop. From where? From the shop. I read it from the book. From where? From the book. In, into. In denotes rest or position inside something. They are waiting in the room, at rest. She was in the hall, at rest. Into denotes motion towards the inside of something. He came into the room. Here is the motion from outside to inside. I walked into the hall. From outside to hall to inside the hall. On, upon. On used when we refer to something at rest. We were made to eat on the floor, at rest. The servant sat on the carpet, at rest. Upon generally denotes motion. The cat sprang upon the table, shows motion. The tiger sprang upon the deer, shows motion. Next is after, behind. After refers to the position of prey. The police ran after the thieves. Behind also refers the position or place. He stood behind the door. Next is by, with. By used after verbs in the passive voice. To denote the agent or the doer, the boy was saved by the stranger, she was searched by the police. With denotes the instrument with which the action was carried out. The serpent was killed with a stick. He cut the log with an axe. Next is between and among. Between is used for two persons or things. Share this biscuit between the two girls. Shankar and Ravi fought between themselves. Among used with more than two persons or things. The four friends shared the packet of biscuits among themselves. There is said to be honor even among thieves. Beside and besides. Beside means by the side of or outside of. He sat beside me to discuss the problem. His speaking ill about me is beside the point. Besides means in addition to. Besides Meera, all of you are also invited. Besides being rich, she is also famous. Next is above, below, across. Above means in a higher position. Death is hanging above my head. Over. I was surprised to see my name above his. Below means a lower level than the other. He is much below me in rank. I live in the flat below his. Across means from one side to the opposite. I live across the street on the opposite side of the street. The boy ran across the road from one side to the another. He laid the load across his shoulders on both sides of. Towards denotes in the direction of. They moved towards the setting sun. She ran towards the police station for help. Through indicates a piercing action and also the happening of something. The soul ran through him, piercing action. The deal fell through. The deal failed. The deal came through, succeeding in making the deal. Around, next is around. Around refers to a surrounding position. He looked around himself and then back it. The path around the statue was concrete. Next is over, under. Over indicates a position above something or somebody. I leaned over my son to explain the sentence. Under. Under indicates a position below somebody or something. I put my suitcase under the table. Next is against. Against indicates a position of some kind. The car slammed against the tree. He leaned against the wall. She did it against her wishes. I went against him because he was selfish. Next is along. Through any part of the length of or from one end to the other end. I took a walk along the broken path. The trees were planted all along the roadside. These are the phrase prepositions. These also are used like the single prepositions. These are the examples of some phrase prepositions according to, along with, away from, because of, by the dint of, by means of, in addition to, on behalf of, in place of, in front of, in view of, in account of, on account of, etc. Some more, by the way of, for the sake of, in course of, in favor of, instead of. There are many phrase prepositions. These are the examples. She jumped into the canal. We went through the woods. Now we can do the practice with the help of this exercise. Fill in the blanks with suitable prepositions. The stranger knocked at the door. Second is suddenly he jumped into the pool, as there is motion into. He was standing beside the pillar. Beside. We reached the station on time. He sat. There are two, Harry and Manas. He sat between Harry and Manas. He presided over the meeting. The people have been waiting at the station since 6 o'clock. There is a bus stop at the end of the road. He used to live in Mumbai. Mumbai is a big city. We will finish our homework in an hour. The boy has been missing since Sunday. You must reach the place before sunset. So here we have done the practice due to do the practice of this.